ఢిల్లీలో సుప్రీంకోర్టు న్యాయమూర్తుల సన్మాన కార్యక్రమంలో సీజేఐ జస్టిస్ ఎన్వి రమణ పాల్గొన్నారు. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Representatives in the state bar councils. The other day, I, of course, openly have not stated with Manan Kumar Mishra, chairman of the bar council, but I said that what is this in your bar council national committee, not even one single lady representative. This needs a urgent correction. And people will say easy that we are all, it is difficult because of women had lot of problems, etc., etc. That's not correct. I do agree that preference of clients sometimes, uncomfortable environment, lack of infrastructure, crowded courtrooms, lack of washrooms, lack of crushes, and lack of sitting places, which are the major issues which is unfriendly to the women lawyers in this system. I gathered information throughout country, which is my, I don't want to say pet project, need of the hour, that is Judicial Infrastructure Corporation, which I am proposing. 60,000 of courts, 22% of the women doesn't have even toilets. And lady officers also suffers this problem. So these are the ground realities which we have to tackle these issues immediately. That is the reason why I am forcing certain issues to the executive to take and correct this. And some demands were made. I don't want to give a lecture because it's already more than 1:30 a Sunday. All of us are hungry. But particularly about the 3 to 3 issues which raised about the senior advocates, one of the issue which are going to clear because of we are going to hold a meeting because Justice unfortunately after Soli Sorabji's passed away, we have to nominate some senior counsel. Some we are going to do it and holding a meeting shortly. Other issue is opening courts. I have no issue. Even pandemic time, I am ready to have this thing. The problem is, we have limited opening, but majority of the advocates not preferring, I don't know, some whatever reasons. Senior counsel are particularly little have some reservations, but youngsters and other advocates are willing to come. And Vikas Singh, president of our association, told that some problem at SOP. We are correcting that also. We are going to make more liberal, and so we can expect fully opening of the courts. The problem is we don't want to take any risk because of the medical advice. Suddenly they say that you have opened the courts and third wave, fourth wave and all that. So you hope that there are no waves, and shortly after, most probably after this Dasara vacation or something, I think we can go for a physical this thing. About so far as physical opening of court, judges has no problem. Please keep it in mind because after all we are in an elevated place and glasses. The problem is with the lawyers and their clerks and these people. Mediation training, and now we can start lot of earlier Pavani Mahalakshmi and Prerna Kumari, all these people represented, and we are going to take up training, going to train this mediation also. So these are the small issues which I want to clarify, and in some different occasion I expect that we will meet again with good number. We can have a discussion. Today is a Daughter's Day, and wish you very happy Daughter's Day. And of course it's American, but we celebrate certain good things across the world. And once again I want to say I strongly recommend or support the demand of certain percent of reservation in all law schools in the country for women. So they can join in. All my sisters, all of you are carved out exceptional people in the society, and the women of the society, or for that matter youngsters, either male or female, or all of you are waiting and looking at you, that you are all role models, and your successive stories will definitely make them more impressive, and we expect many people will join in the profession, and we achieve the goal of that 50% shortly. I wholeheartedly support all the initiative taken by all of you, and so long as I am here, I will support all of your causes. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Lordship. There is a strain of time as I was getting.